be Shalimar, I think. Let's go to Shalimar. That was fire department truck down there. Bad hole in the road right there. Okay, let's go over here to Shalimar. Holy living hell. I should have pulled off there. Look at the chop. Oh, I hate this bridge. It was really bad yesterday. It was very scary. It's not too terrible. It's just gusty today. But yesterday was really scary crossing this bridge. And it's tiny. Lots of chop. See the white caps? A lot of chop, a lot of chop. Okay, this is Shalimar. This is a really old part of Fort Walton area. Let's see if we can zoom her back out. Well, there's a lot of tree poo-poo here. It appears the Tom Thumb is open. Waffle House is slam-packed. See, some of these people will do business because it didn't even freaking hit here. Okay? It didn't even hit here. Tom Thumb's open, $2.17 a gallon. Waffle House is slam-packed. I mean slammed. There's so many people in there, it looks like a nightclub. Sorry, I'm not in for the sickness. No. Sonic is open. See, these are people that are smart. They're going to do business when all these other jokers are closed. Sonic is just slammed. I mean, there's a waiting line. It is slammed. Raceway gas station, $2.15 a gallon, is open. And it's Shalimar, Florida. This is just above Fort Walton. And on the way to Niceville and Valpy. Some of that parking lot's flooded out, but that's because of poor landscape. That's the only reason it's like that. It's not because anything in particular, just poor landscaping. The engineers weren't thinking. So we have a bunch of stuff over here. I don't see any cars at that Exxon. Now, somebody's over here at the GM for some reason. Might be the chef. Oh, their long furniture got all thrown around in a GM. I don't know why they didn't bring that in. That's not hard to figure out. I know Catherine personally. She must be still out of town because how is it your employees don't know that you need to bring those umbrellas and stuff in? You know, when you're looking at 50-mile-an-hour winds, come on. They were talking like 100-mile-an-hour ones last night, but that didn't happen. But yeah, these banana heads left all the tables and umbrellas out. So it's gusty over here just all of a sudden. So there's a few things open over here. Let me show you what a GN's looking like right here. This is the Greek restaurant. If you ever want really good Greek food, some of the people that work here are but the lady that owns it's a peach. She's really neat. Look at, they didn't even put their crap away. Don't you guys know 50-mile-an-hour wind, it might blow away? It's plastic. All her pretty plants, God alive. They're all knocked down. There's some truck there. I hope that's the chef. I guess I'll get him on video in case it's not. Their little Deb's coffee shop drive-thru in front of Jen's has been doing pretty good. They got it open usually 7 days a week now. So, there's a few things open over here on Eglin Parkway, so don't worry. It's you know, almost 10:30 now. There are a few things open, so if you do need to go out and get fuel, I would fuel up immediately in case the fuel goes to a higher price or they've run out or some crap. Look at the campanas over here at the car wash by the Dollar General. They're just blowing, huh? How come you guys didn't know to take that down in 50-mile-an-hour wind? Man. Really? Looks like it blew all their chairs down at a Mexican restaurant at Petitions where it is. Look at Sonic, just booming. You be smart. Slap you on the back right there. You be smart because nobody else want to be open. I can't believe Dodge's is not open. And Dodge's doesn't close for any reason. There's going to be a tornado coming over the roof and they don't care. They make their people work. There's still people pulling up over there at Sonic. I can't wait for this vlog to go up so people know there's stuff out there and they can kind of drive on the road. There's a few gusts here and there, but I mean, it's not like blow you over. Try to stay away from the waterfront. That's where it's kind of spooky. You get these immediate gusts that are really strong all of a sudden and it'll creep you out. And be careful of power lines. Try not to be parked under them or walk under them in case one blows down and electrocutes your butt. And be careful of trees. If the lightning comes, they love trees. So please be careful of that. There's actually cars at the post office. I'm not sure why. Because I don't think that's employees. Okay, so let's see what we got here. About old Shalimar with the old roads where that one side floods all the time. You've got to be on one side or the other. Just dragging the butt, so I gotta get over here because I don't like when I get in that mess. Ooh, windy. Ugh. Okay. Here's a guy with his brights on at 10 o'clock in the morning. Really? Were you that dippy? That looked kind of like AutoZone might be open, but I'm not sure. There's a couple cars there, but I don't know. I should have drove down this street right there. Very deep after I come off that bridge. Racetrack Road and 4th Avenue. So again, that Sunoco right there is open by the Publix. They are in business. Publix looks closed. Somebody wants to file on me at the courthouse. And I hate to break it to you, I think it's closed today. But I have a lawyer. I'm ready. Oh, now bring a sack lunch, will you? Okay, so God, that restaurant's terrible. That Sherwin-80s. That's the biggest mixed up season with mess, I swear. Al's lights are on. I wonder if he's working today. He might be. That place has been there for a million years. All this stuff's closed. Can you believe it's 10:30 in the morning? Now they're renovating this Mexican joint. Right there. Looks like somebody slept in a car right there or something. But looks like Ollie's loading up his cater truck. Good idea. Get it out on the corner somewhere. Sell some food because it's not worth going into your restaurant because it takes an hour just to get the food to go. Hopefully you can figure out how to get the food ready quick on the food truck. I hate to see all these places closed. Arby's is closed. This entire mall. Uriner Plaza, Joanne Fabrics, Dollar Store, Hertz, T-Mobile. all that looks closed. There is a truck in front of Grace Church. Looks like the seat fell down on the side. That's city truck right there. The flashers. Oh, another bridge. Damn it. This is ClearValue bridge. It joins Shalimar to Fort Walton. It's just a tiny little bridge. It's 2 seconds long. I can't believe how that bank, that BBVA right there is all flooded. But there's a boat loading dock there. But the water's just almost all the way up. Let this city guy go by. God, it's blowy. Waiting on the city guy to go by so I can go. I don't even know if I want to go to y'all. Well, I could have, because that takes me to the other Tom. So all this is closed, but there is power. That's the old Kmart where they put storage in there and U-Hauls. Look, they didn't take the components off this car wash. Really? They're blowing around the probably off by the end of the day. When they keep sawing away from the metal frames. That's it. I hate to go down 98. We could go down Hollywood. Let's go down Hollywood Street. It's a little further from 98, but not by much. Some people have some property over there at Beale and 98 that they own, and they're out of state. And I was gonna try to get over there and let them know if everything's okay, because they're not here to see it. All is closed. All the Westtown station is closed. Ugh. It's getting a little gusty over here because we're near the water. I don't know if I'll be able to travel Hollywood Street because there's some more tree poo-poo there. Tree poo-poo. Okay.